Hey grillers, Brad here from BB Grill Shack. Today we're going to be taking a look at whether a Lodge cast iron griddle is better or a GrillGrate's all aluminum grill is better. So you might be asking, why use a griddle when grilling a steak? Well, there's a few reasons. We want to get a nice sear mark. The sears actually kind of burn the steak. It carries a lot of great flavor, great texture over into the steak. So the sear marks actually really do a lot for the flavor of the steak. Griddles are important because they're kind of big pieces of metal. They conduct the heat well. And so on your normal griddle or grill grates for your grill, you're probably not really going to get much of a sear mark. They're really small diameter wires usually, and it just doesn't carry the heat that you need to really get a good sear. So I like using a griddle to get a good sear so I get that good flavor, that good texture on my steak. So for today's test, I'm gonna take the griddles, I'm gonna put them on the charcoal grill for 5 minutes, and then we're gonna take a heat temp of them to see how hot they get. Then we're gonna throw some New York strips on them, flip them every minute, and see what kind of grill marks we get at the end. And then I'll give you guys a review. Lodge cast iron griddle, take 1. So the cast iron griddle got up to 428 degrees after 5 minutes. Let's try out a steak. All right, the aluminum GrillGrate's griddle got up to 479 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's try it with the steak. All right guys, we cooked both of these steaks for 4 minutes on the griddles. So let's do a little review of how the results turned out. This steak we cooked on the Lodge cast iron griddle. This steak we cooked on the GrillGrate's aluminum griddle. You can see that the GrillGrate's griddle gave more definite and apparent sear marks. Wow, those look good. The cast iron, not as much. We got a few grill marks in this direction on this side, but you can tell they're not nearly as deep, not nearly as pronounced as the GrillGrate's griddle. Overall, I think the cast iron griddle cooked the steak a little bit more. That could have been because we cooked it first. It could have been because cast iron holds heat a little bit better than aluminum does. But overall, I'd say the premier results go to the GrillGrate's griddle. Thanks for sticking around, you guys. That was an awesome experiment. We found out that the GrillGrates did perform a little bit better than the Lodge. So for you guys out there doing SCA, doing a lot of steaks, give GrillGrates a try. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for sticking around.